For the second activity on the board, we are locating numbers on the number line. When we first complete this activity, I would leave the number track exposed so our students can see and have a prompt. However, we are going to cover it to develop fluency. I'll go first as player 1. I flick the spinner and I need to point to that number on the number line. I think number 12 is here. I have Karis here with me.
Hello.
And she's going to check.
You're correct.
So I write down 12 as my score. Now it's player 2's turn. 13.
I think 13 is here.
I think you're right. Correct. And remember, we're trying to see without counting. The player with the least number wins, so that's me for this round. Now it's your turn.